Hello guys, today I've got the SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you how to change the Equalizer preset. So, to change the Equalizer preset you need to at first have the application. This application is called SOUNDCORE, and here as you can see the first thing is actually our sound effects, and here we've got, as you can see, default, which is Soundcore Signature. We've got Bass Booster, Volume Booster, Classical, Podcast, and Treble Booster. If we tap here this custom, we can create our own equalizer profile based on this one. This what we can see here. That's it. Goodbye.